Hi, I'm Tom Bowling and I'm here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. And I wanted to share with you today a little bit about the hydrangea. And you know, you cannot open a magazine, a shelter magazine, interior, or go onto Pinterest without seeing the presence of hydrangea. It's with us. It's one of those all-time favorite flowers, whether it's in home decor or especially in event work. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that today because we know that hydrangea are very susceptible to wilting, and especially when you get them outdoors with venues that aren't really conducive to longevity for certain flowers, or when you get that bride that wants to have photographs very early in the afternoon and then her actual event is scheduled for later. So think about the fact that you can combine permanent hydrangea and maybe add some fresh flowers with that. Now, of course, I would share that with the bride and say, this is what I'd like to do so they look as fresh as you do when the event actually happens. So you'll notice that we have several different hydrangea on the table, and they come in these beautiful soft palette color, kind of a very Monet type of a look to them. From the beautiful pink tones with the seasonality of that lavender blue, and then the white green. So there's something really that's going to work for every bride. And then of course the larger as well. And these are wonderful to put into places not only in bouquets, but decorating with them, putting in the reception venue where people aren't this close to them when you get them far away. They are so realistic looking that everyone's going to assume that they're fresh flowers. And that way too, then you can do some of the work way in advance and not ever have to worry about those hydrangeas crashing or going down. So it's a thought for you, and this is the source for you, Pioneer Imports and Wholesale.